Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 7th match here in round 2. Scores are Montego Bay High on 3 points, Jamaica College on 2. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Montego Bay High, you were sent in first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, what was the name of the woman who protected the spies in Jericho? Correct.
Rahab.
How many phalanges are there in the big toe of humans?
3.
2. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of touchable.
Untouchable.
That's right. Who is the chairman of Digicel?
Stephen Mirad.
Dennis O'Brien. Worship of Allah is observed by adherents to which religious faith?
Islam.
That's right. How many countries are there in North America?
3.
23. What is the stage name of the artist Nasir bin Olu Dara Jones?
Jimmy Cliff.
Nas. What is the name of positively charged ions that are formed when a metal loses?
Cations.
Cations is correct. 2 numbers have a sum of 31 and a product of 234. What are the numbers?
22 and 7.
13 and 18. What is the first and last name of Vin Diesel's character in the Fast and Furious franchise?
Dominic Toretto.
Sorry?
Dominic Toretto.
That's correct. What countries made up the original Axis powers in World War II?
Germany and Italy.
And Japan. You forgot Japan. How long is an Olymp? And we won't have time. Well done, ladies, for your first minute. Jamaica College, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, what was the name of the woman who killed Sisera, a Canaanite general?
Jael.
Jael is correct. Which finger in humans is the digitus medius?
The middle finger.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of admissible.
Inadmissible.
That's right. Who is the managing director of Flow Jamaica?
Stephen Francis.
Stephen Price. Worship of Krishna is a feature in which
Hinduism.
religion? Sorry?
Hinduism.
That's right. How many countries are in South America?
12.
That's right. What's the stage name of the artist Sean Corey Carter?
Sean Carter. Jay-Z.
That's right. What is the name of the most fundamental and smallest part of an element?
So that is atom.
That's right. 2 numbers have a difference
Pass.
of 2 and a product. Okay. What is the first and last name of Dwayne Johnson's character in the Fast and Furious franchise?
Pass.
Luke Hobbs. Which 2 countries formed the Pact of Steel alliance?
Pack of Steel, so Germany and France.
Germany and Italy. How long is an Olympic basketball court in meters?
36 meters.
28 meters. Which 2 factors determine the range of a projectile fired into the Earth's atmosphere from ground level?
So gravity and its velocity.
Judges. I'll leave that one in your hands. No, we have acceleration due to gravity and the angle of projection. But well done otherwise, Jamaica College, for your first minute. Ladies, we're coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. How long in meters is an Olympic swimming pool?
21 meters.
50 meters. A ball is fired into the atmosphere at an angle of 45 degrees from a cannon at ground level. What will be the primary force acting on the ball during its flight?
Gravity.
That's right. What is the equivalent English proverb for the Spanish mira antes de saltar?
Look before you leave.
That's right. Who created the character Sherlock Holmes?
Arthur Conan Doyle.
Correct. In what year did former Jamaican Governor General Sir Clifford Campbell die?
2002.
1991. Who in the Bible was pregnant at the same time as Mary, the mother of Jesus?
Elizabeth.
Correct. State the name and gender of the insect whose bite can result in malaria.
Female Anopheles.
That's right. Spell the word scrounge.
Scrounge.
That's right. What nationality is the environmental activist Greta Thunberg?
Swedish.
That's correct. To which European country can the origin of the croissant be traced?
France.
Austria. Which country borders Benin to the west?
Congo.
Togo. What is the birth name of Jamaican musical artist Gaza Slim?
Lady G.
No, Vanessa Bling. Vanessa Bling. Okay. Well done for your second minute, ladies. Gentlemen, coming back to you now. Time for your second minute. What is the equivalent English proverb for the Spanish de tal palo tal astilla?
When one is hungry, everything tastes good.
No, like father, like son, or chip off the old block. Who created the character Peter Pan?
J.M. Barrie.
Correct. In what year did former Jamaican Governor General Sir Flores Glasspole die?
2000.
That's right. In the Bible, what was the original name that was being given to John the Baptist?
Zacharias.
Sorry?
Zacharias.
Correct. What parasite carries the Lyme disease bacterium?
So mosquito.
Ticks. Spell the word mnemonics.
Mnemonics.
M.N.
What?
Pass.
Mnemonics. What nationality is the education activist Malala Yousafzai?
Palestine.
Pardon?
Palestine.
Pakistani. Today's 75% of the world's pineapples are grown in 3 countries. Name one of them.
USA.
USA.
No, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines. Which country borders Cambodia to the north?
Libya.
Laos. What is the birth name of Jamaican singer Tifa?
Latifa Brown.
Good. How many protons can be found in the element strontium?
34.
38. Actually, but well done, JC. For your second minute, Montego Bay High. Coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. How many neutrons does the element bismuth have?
82.
126. Giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms, what is the result when 3 3/8 is divided by 1/4?
Pass.
Pass.
13 and a half. Which character who died in Rocky 3 makes an appearance in Rocky 5?
Pass.
Mickey. Who was the U.S. Vice President during the single term of George H.W. Bush?
Bill Clinton.
No, Dan Quayle. Which country did Iran play in their opening match of the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar?
Pass.
England. What is the refractive index of water with respect to air?
1.5.
1.33. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb sazonar?
To season.
Correct. Who wrote Matilda, The Witches, and the BFG, all of which were made into movies? Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Cry, cry, pick ni neba.
Get where one.
Habim, right. In the Bible, what was the name of the nurse of the young Moses while he lived in Egypt?
Jochebed.
Correct. During pollination in a flower, pollen grains from the male anther of a flower. What did you say?
Sigma. Style, sorry.
Style is what you said, right. Stigma was actually the answer, but unfortunately, that's not the one you gave. But well done, ladies, for your third and final minute. Jamaica College, coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final. Giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms, what is the result when 4 and 7/8 is divided by 1/2?
By 1/2. 8 times 4, Muffin.
8 times 4.
39 plus divided by 1.
Pass.
9 3/4. Which character in The Dark Knight Rises is played by Liam Neeson?
Dark Knight Rises.
Pass.
Ra's al Ghul. Which Egyptian president was assassinated in October 1981?
I know I said that.
Correct. Which country did Switzerland play in their first match of the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar?
Denmark.
Sorry?
Denmark.
Cameroon. What is the refractive index of crown glass with respect to air?
1.5.
Correct. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb apostar?
Stop.
To gamble or to bet? Who wrote the Chronicles of Narnia novel series?
Jesus.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Candle na bun top and?
Bottom.
Correct. In the Bible, to which Old Testament prophet does the Epistle of James make reference to demonstrate the effectiveness? Sorry?
Isaiah.
Elijah, the effectiveness of prayer of a righteous man. What is another specific name for allogamy in flowers?
Pollination by different flowers.
Cross-fertilization. Judges, that one is up to you. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Montego Bay holding on at 18, just ahead of Jamaica College on 17. When we come back, it'll be time for what's indeed shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The 7th match in round 2 in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this